Hi everyone, so today we're looking at vectors multiple choice questions. So we're going to go through about 5 different questions and you would see that some of them are very similar to each other, right? So the first one we're looking here, we have a triangle here and we have triangle PST and the question says in the diagram above, if U is the vector 4, 3, so let's write that one time. Vector U is equal to 4, 3. And then they went on to say vector V is equal to negative 1. We want to find P, vector PT. Now if you look at the diagram, starting at P here, right? So from P, so PS, then we reach to ST. Now, in vectors, an easy trick I like to tell students is write down your first letter that you want, put a space, plus, space, and the second letter. So we want to get vector PT, right? Now the two letters in the middle here must be the same, so as to say they kind of cancel out, right? Now if you look at our diagram, they have P and T have a common point of S, right? So I could write PS, vector PS, plus vector ST. Now from our diagram again, vector PS is actually, that's U, right? So I was going to put in the 4, 3, plus vector ST, which is really denoted by vector V, is negative 2, 1. And from here, you just go ahead and you add your vectors, right? So this becomes 4 plus minus 2. Remember, a plus and a minus will give me a minus, right? So I could write it out so you can see 4 plus minus 2. And then we have 3 plus 1. So the plus and the minus really gives us 4 minus 2. And then we have 3 plus 1 in the bottom, which is 4. So our answer is 2, 4. So my answer for this is B, right? B, 2, 4. Now we're looking at one that's fairly similar to the first one we just did. We have vector P, 3, 7, and vector Q, negative 2, 5. So we want to find P minus Q. Very simple. P is 3, 7. We're going to take away Q, which is minus 2, 5. And then we go ahead and you take away. So this will be 3 take away minus 2. And then 7 take away 5. Remember, 2 negatives will give me a positive, right? So I'm really going to get 3 plus 2. And then 5 take away 2 is 2. So that's 5, 2. And my answer is C. So you see how easy this one was? So just to note, they gave you the two vectors and you just go ahead and you just subtract